All right, now we're doing 8Q, Who Ate the Cookie? This is by Austin1, and 92% of people like it. For this problem, we must create a program that says who ate the last cookie. If the input is a string, then Zach ate the last cookie. If the input is a float or an int, then Monica ate the cookie. If the input is anything else, the dog ate the cookie. The way to return this statement is who ate the last cookie question mark. It was whoever it is. Example, input hi, output it was Zach. Okay, that's because it's a string. Note, make sure that we return the correct message with the correct spaces and punctuation. Please leave feedback for the kata. Alright, now that I remember that, we're going to have to use template literals. Alright, and the template literals are literals delimited with backtick characters, this one here, which is to the left of the 1 and above the tab, allowing for multi-line strings for string interpolation with embedded expressions, and for special constructs called tagged templates. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is have some words, and then we're going to have one of these embedded expressions. It's going to have a $ with brackets, with curly braces, and then some more words, or in our case it's just going to be an exclamation point afterwards. Alright, so let's set this up over here. And like I said, we're going to start off with the backtick character to the left of the 1 above the tab, right? And we're going to say who ate the last cookie? It was, and then we're going to have the embedded expression with the $, the curly braces, and then a exclamation point to end the sentence, right? So in this embedded expression, what we're going to put in here is an object, and this object we're going to say either string, right here, string. And it doesn't say it here or anything on here, but the other one's going to be number, and I'll show you why in a second. So first we put string. Alright, what do I have insert on? Alright, string. Alright, and if it's string, we're going to have Zach, and if it's number, if it's number, we're going to have Monica. Okay? I'm going to take some spaces out. Alright. And then to access that, we're going to have a little bracket right here. And inside there, we're going to use this type of. Okay? The type of operator returns a string indicating the type of the unevaluated operand. So here it's a number, so it's going to be number. This is a string, it's string. This is Boolean. This is undeclared variable, it's going to be undefined, right? And there's a bunch of them that it can possibly be, but what we're going for here is number and string. Okay, so we're going to say type of, and then we're going to use this X right here. All right, type of X. That way, if it comes in number, it'll look for number. If it comes in let's say it's 42. No, excuse me, let's say it's Ryan. It's going to say, okay, so that's a string, it must be Zach. If it's true, it comes in and says, oh, it must be the dog. And how do we do the dog? Let me show you. What is this nonsense? Let me take that out of there. Alright, and if not, with the little or operator, we're going to say the dog. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense for you. Let's test it out. It does work. Attempt it. It still works. Submit it. All right. Very much like this one. Let's go see my solution. Just the two of us. Best practice in my opinion. And we'll see you next time.